relevant. So let's go ahead. Let me do a stream marker quickly. Marco Polo. So Marco, do you want to tell us a little bit about what we're about to look at? So the next thing we're going to be looking at is an entry by the wonderful markopolodev, who I really enjoyed some of the games that I played of his in previous jams and the likes. But for this jam, he's just made a short video, and yeah, he might want to tell us a little bit more about it in chat before we watch it. But if not, then we're going to just go and give it a go. Let's open this up. Nothing to actually play. It was meant to be a rhythm game. I never got around to adding the user input. So instead, it's an avant-garde music video. F11 to full screen, escape to exit. Let's do this in Edge, because Chrome often has issues for me. So Marco Polo says in chat, before we do this, I wanted to make a rhythm game and I ended up choosing aesthetics over gameplay. Remove the game. That's fine. That's totally cool. Let's watch this and enjoy then. So this is by MarkopoloDev. We're going to be wrapping up stream just after this. So let's see this as a nice outro, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy. And thank you, Marco Polo, for taking part. It's really nice to have something from you in the jam. Hi, InstaFluff. Gonna mute my mic. Actually, you can see the elements of how rhythm could come into this sort of thing, right? Did you make the audio, Marco? Sorry about that random elephant. The aesthetics are really nice on this. So you think it was going to be one of those, Marco, where you fireworks, where you have to, like, you use your rhythm, kind of like Crypto the Necrodancer, right? Where you'd use it, you can see the enemy kind of patterns, and you'd kind of spend a few turns letting them go in the path they're going to, so they don't hit you and things like that. Music is fab. You often do a great kind of music aesthetics to your games. The trees are proper cool as well. Very kind of binary search tree. Oh, I don't know if binary search is the right term, but kind of that sort of tree, you know? I also like the idea of it being on this kind of curved world as well, because it gives you that scope to just keep going straight without needing to change the background in that. But that was lovely. That was lovely. You can definitely see some ideas of how gameplay would have fitted into that, for sure. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and we will refresh that. We'll have that as our background music now, just as we wrap up for stream. So I'm going to just write a little bit of feedback while we do that. Let's close this. That like bit of the music is I really love kind of, I can't describe it. It's kind of like synthy vibes, especially kind of chiptune-y synthy stuff. Or crushed, maybe is better than a bit chiptune. Okay, so that time it wasn't interrupted by me accidentally pressing a change of scene button on my OBS. Sorry about that on the first time. Yeah, I don't even know the right term for it. Synthwave, bit, crush, chiptune, old school, 8-bit, 16-bit vibe. Yeah, whatever is the right term for it. What was Brainerd saying about Bunners? You save injured soldiers in disco mode. What you thinking ideas? Oh, on the curved earth. That's what you're referring to. Instafluff, it's very nice to have you here, good sir. However, you are actually here at the end of the stream. I've been going for 2 hours and 15 minutes. I did say I was only streaming for around an hour and a half to 2 hours today, so we're wrapping up. But we've got 3 extra games done. Ah, Pyro! It has been a while.
Mr. Dan, been a while.
It has been a while indeed. I will be back tomorrow, so we're going to try and finish playing through these. Let's have a look at what games we got left just before we shoot off. So let's refresh this. So we have a few games left. We have Twilight Zone by Outfrost. We're likely to play that tomorrow night. We have the Odd One In's game, Endless Road Trip. We have Discovery Box by Squidmaker. We have Dystotony by John Games, and then we have my own game, which I don't need to play that on stream, I guess. So we have 4 games to go. If we can get those done tomorrow, it would be fabulous.